So guys, we were in the rectangle question. So this is the part 2. So we were in the rectangle question, right? So what was the question? The question was the perimeter of the rectangle is 25.5. So the perimeter of the rectangle is, so the perimeter of this rectangle is 25.5 centimeter, right? And they have given the length, which is this. The length is 9.5. 9.5 is the length. Okay. Now they have not given the breadth. This is the breadth. So they have not given it. So and they have said to calculate its area in square meter. Okay. So what they've given, first we'll find the b, which is breadth, then we can find the area of this rectangle. Yeah. So given perimeter, what is given? Perimeter is given as 25.5 meter. Yeah. And the length they have given is 9.5 meter. 9.5 meter. Okay. Now we have to apply the formula P equals 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Here when we do this, we'll get to find the P. Okay. So first 25, which is the P, 25.5 equals 2 into 9.5 plus B. We don't know the B, so we'll just keep that as just B. Okay. Now 25.5 as it is comes down and equals, you have to multiply 2 to this bracket. So 2 into 9.5 you get 19. Okay. And plus 2B. This 2B because we multiply 2 and B, so it will become 2B. Okay. Then what we'll do over here is we will send this 2B to this side and this 2.5 to this side. Then we subtract 25.5 this side, then we subtract to 19. So what we get? We get some value and we have to divide it by 2. Yeah, 2. Then we get the answer as 3.25 meter. 3.25 meter. If you want, I can show you the workings. So guys, the answer will be like something like this. You have to do it like this. So, okay. Understood, guys? Now we got the breadth. Yeah, we got the breadth. We have the length and everything. Now we have to find the area as they have told us. We have to find the area of the rectangle, right? We have the length, which is 9.5. We have the breadth, which is 3.25 meter. Then here we have to find the area. It's simple. Length into breadth. So 9.5 into 3.25. 9.5 into 3.25 meter. Okay, we get the answer as 30.875 meter square. 30.875 meter square. Okay. So this is a equation for how to solve a rectangle. Okay. You can copy it down. So now we go to the next question. The question says, okay, this is the question of how to find a square. Okay, a square. Okay, So the question is, the area of a square field is 484 meters square. meter square. So guys, the next question says that okay, the area of a square field is 484 meters square. Fine. So first they've given the area of a square, which is 484 meter square. Then first question is to find the length of its one side. So length of its one side. What is the length of this? Okay. To find that, we'll apply the formula area side square, side whole square. Yeah, side whole square. Okay. So this is the formula over here. Yeah. So this is the formula. Yeah. So since area side square is a formula, we go for 484 meters square. Area. This is the area which they have given. Then we have to find the side, one side of it. So to find that, we'll apply this formula, and therefore the side equals root square 484 meter. Okay. Then the root square of 484 is 22. If you want confirmation, multiply 22 two times, then you will get the answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 22. This is one side. So this is one side of a 22 meter. This is also 22 meter. Just like that, 22 meter. All sides are 22 because it is a square. Okay. Yeah. Then the second question is the length of its diagonal correct to two places of a decimal. So they have given it to find the diagonal. Okay. So the diagonal formula, to find the diagonal formula, it's side into root 2. Side into root 2. We'll get, what is the side? One side, it is 22 meter. So we write 22 meter, then into 1.414. That is because the value of root 2 is 1.414. If you want to check, go check. It's 1.414 meter. Okay. Then if we multiply 22 into 1.414 meter, it will give us 31.11 meter. 31.11 meter. So this is the answer. This is the diagonal. So the first answer is they have given what is one side. The side that is 22 meters. Then they have asked the diagonal. What is, how much is the diagonal? Then that is 31.11 meter. Okay. So now we'll go to the next question, which is actually based on parallelogram. Okay. So let me erase all this.